fix in 5. P0625. Generator field terminal low, alternator output voltage below expected. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. Battery warning light illuminated on dashboard, reduced lighting performance, headlights and interior lights dimmer than normal, engine starting difficulty or intermittent start failures, rapid battery discharge after engine shutdown, auxiliary system malfunctions, wipers. Now the most likely causes. Defective alternator or internal voltage regulator failure, 70 to 75% of cases. Discharged or damaged battery with elevated internal resistance, or damaged connections at alternator and battery terminals, or slipping alternator serpentine belt, slip greater than 15%. Damaged wiring between alternator and battery with resistance greater than 0.5 ohms. What does it cost? Roughly €85-180 doing it yourself, or €181-276 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Replace alternator with new or remanufactured unit and verify post-replacement output voltage, 13.5, 14.5 V at 2000 revolutions per minute. If alternator voltage output normal but ECM signal still detected. Replace voltage regulator, internal or external depending on design. Repair or replace damaged wiring between alternator and battery. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, will P0625 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0625 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0625. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.